Hello guys, welcome to new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create an app using just ChatGPT and Expo Go. So let's start. We will have to prompt ChatGPT. You can ask it whatever you want to build. Build a calculator app using Expo. The app should look cool and modern with some unique features and layout, and hit the send button. Now you can see it is responding, and here is the code. The code is in JavaScript, so wait for a few minutes. And yeah, it's done. Now all you have to do is just copy the code and open the Chrome. Head to snake.expo.dev. Here you will see interface like this. Select all the code and delete it and paste the code we have just copied. And yeah, now save the project, name the project whatever you want, calculator app. In the description you can write about your app, a calculator app. Save it. Now click the view your snacks. Now you can see our project is ready. Now click the project. Here you can see the name calculator app, and it will show the interface something like this. Now if you don't have Expo Go, you can click get it on Google Play, and you will be redirected to Play Store Expo Go app. You can install it. I have already, so I'm going to click open with Expo Go, and it should run our project. See, your calculator app is ready. You can toggle between dark mode and light mode. Now we can test it. 12 and 2 and click equal sign. You can see the app is fully working, and yeah, it's done. You can also create an app like this. All you need is an idea. You can do it with the help of ChatGPT without writing a single line of code, using your mobile phone. Okay guys, that's it for now. See you later.